Good morning, everyone. Google has come out with a new feature, as you can see on my screen, called Gemini Storybook. This is a very good way of illustrating a specific topic in the method of stories and illustrations. It can be used for children to create books on historical figures or their cartoon characters, but also for topics that you want to teach to younger people or even for adults who are learning a specific topic. So what I did is I played around with it and I just wrote a very simple prompt. I went to this, it's experimental as of 31st August 2025. Create a storybook explaining neural networks to beginners. And then the magic happened. As you can see, Alera and the Thought team, let me make it full screen as all of you can see. Alera loved solving puzzles, guessing what animal was hiding in a picture, but sometimes the picture were tricky and she wished she had a special team to help her figure things out. If only I had a thought team, she exclaimed, and just like a magic, a bustling network of tiny glowing helpers around her by shimmering pathways. We are your thought team, ready to help, chirped a little helper named Axon. First came the input detective. Axon and Dendry, their jobs was to look at the picture and spot tiny clues. I see pointy ears, whispered Axon, and I see long whiskers, says Dendry. So as you can see, I will not read the whole story. I will share this link on the chat, but this has it made an illustrative storybook on a concept about neural networks of how you see an image of an animal and identify from different patterns the features of it, like as you mentioned, by this fictional character that is there. So it looks nice. So it's a good way for people to learn, read, understand, and get an idea about this. So if you can see all this again, there is no option of downloading it yet. You can see, you can share it here, you can create a link, and this link can be shareable, which I'll be putting on the details, and you can also yourself play around with it and try to build something. It can be for a learning activity or it can be for a specific thing, and it's a very good way of generating storybooks with amazing illustrative images, as you have seen, and take it forward. Thank you, and do try and share your feedbacks in the comments.